Just landed in Phuket. I've got my girl gang ready. We've got 48 hours and our time starts now. Let's
Go island hopping.
Day one and it's time to go island hopping. No time to rest. And why rest when you're in Phuket? Let's go, girls.
Rent a boat and go island hopping. You'll see dramatic limestone cliffs, secluded beaches and islands. Stop by at one of the islands for lunch. Don't forget to check out James Bond and Korong Noi Islands. This may take up most of your time on day one, but believe me, it's completely worth it and an experience like no other. Live the fun life as you sip wine and have the breeze in your hair.
So one of the things you have to do in Phuket is to go island hopping. And what better way than to hire a private boat?
Go shopping in Central Mall. Love luxury? Thailand is surprisingly full of brands. Head to Central Mall Phuket for a shopping extravaganza. Clothes, shoes, bags and more. If you're lucky, you may even witness a floating market inside the mall.
We found a floating market right in the middle of a mall. How cool is that?
Dinner and drinks at the Column. The Column is an exclusive place in Phuket dedicated to a mix of nationalities. Eat, sing and dance along. Visit Bangla Street. It is literally packed with a ridiculous amount of bars, go-go bars, girly bars, expat bars, drinks, women and music are the standard. Bangla Road is quite simply the sex capital of Phuket. This road is the epicenter of Phuket nightlife. Bangla Road in itself is an experience that has to be had. It's like heading into some kind of fantasy zone. In most other countries, they wouldn't dare to have a place like this. But it's not a bad thing. It's just very, very eye-opening. The vibe is lively and violence is not tolerated. Watch out for the women and the lady boys. If you want to go street shopping, Bangla Street has some great options. But don't forget to bargain. Start day 2 by visiting Bang Tao Beach. Phuket is not too famous for its beaches, but Bang Tao is among the nicer ones. Go scuba diving, snorkeling, jet skiing or just chill on the beach. In Phuket, unlike India, you have an option to ride the jet ski on your own. Get a Thai massage. You can't skip a Thai massage in Thailand. A 1-hour massage will cost you about 400 baht and this is bargainable. Lunch on the beach. After a good massage, eat up at one of the beach shacks. Indulge in fresh seafood, meat or some mango milkshake.
Food here is amazing. You can see the variety here. But the best thing is that it's quite cheap.
Now vegetarians may find it a little difficult to get a decent meal. Visit the Big Buddha. The site offers 360-degree views of Phuket town, Kata, Karon, Chalong Bay and more. Watch Simon Cabaret. Watch beautiful ladyboys perform cabaret in perfect sync. A spectacular show, this has been running for over 2 decades. Head to Chilwa Night Market. A cool trendy night market with a somewhat bohemian vibe. The shop fronts are created out of colorful shipping containers. There's also plenty to eat and shop from. Is 48 hours really enough to chill with your gang of girls? Maybe not, but Phuket does guarantee 2 days of fun, excitement and frolic.